It's just amazing to me how a simple loaf of bread can kind of bring a little bit of light into someone's life. I have pretty much always been making bread. My mom, it was something that I remember doing with my mom when I was little. When I got married, all I knew how to do was make bread, not really anything else, bread and pie. And so my kids have grown up with bread. That's part of their childhood. They just remember that. But a couple years ago, my oldest son went to San Francisco and brought home this book by Chad Robertson, Tartine Bread, and I just fell in love with it. And it's pretty much the only bread that we use. It's with the sourdough starter, and I call it my baby. It's always somewhere. And the kids' friends love it. You know, they're always over hoping that there's a loaf of bread out. So bread is just really a part of our life. Also, I'm not the most wordy person, and so I love people by giving them bread.
Hi.
So I think that often, we all have our struggles, but when people do have struggles, there are those that can go and are really close to them maybe and can really relate and be an encouragement. But oftentimes we can't empathize in a meaningful way with maybe someone who has cancer or who's had a surgery or lost a loved one. But I have found that just taking a loaf of bread expresses our heart that we care for you, and it touches people in a way that words really can't.